12 cool camping gadgets on Amazon. Ready to level up your camping game? Whether you're a seasoned outdoor pro or a first-time camper, having the right gear can make all the difference. And with Amazon offering a huge range of innovative gadgets, there's no shortage of options to make your wilderness experience smoother, safer, and way more fun. From portable power stations to ultra-efficient cooking tools, these 12 cool camping gadgets are a must-have for your next outdoor adventure. Get ready to take your camping experience to the next level. JetBoil Flash Cooking System. Camping is all about enjoying the great outdoors, but it doesn't mean you have to compromise on your comfort or food. The JetBoil Flash Cooking System brings the convenience of a portable high-performance cooking system right to your campsite. Designed to boil water quickly, this system is perfect for preparing hot drinks, dehydrated meals, or even cooking a full meal with minimal effort. With its powerful, compact design, the JetBoil Flash ensures that you can easily cook in any outdoor setting, from a remote forest to a mountain peak. The integrated stove and pot system work together seamlessly, making it incredibly efficient and easy to use, no matter where you are. Big Agnes Copper Spur AG-UL2 tent. When it comes to camping, your shelter can make all the difference in your experience. And the Big Agnes Copper Spur AG-UL2 tent ensures that you are equipped with a shelter that provides comfort and reliability. This ultra-lightweight tent offers ample space for 2 campers, providing enough room for gear without sacrificing ease of transport. The Copper Spur is built with durable, weather-resistant materials, making it the perfect choice for everything from summer hikes to more demanding conditions. With its highly water-resistant fabric and rainfly, it keeps you dry during unexpected weather, while remaining breathable to prevent condensation buildup. Anker PowerCore 26800 Portable Charger. When you're camping, staying connected can sometimes be a challenge, especially with limited access to power. The Anker PowerCore 26800 Portable Charger is the solution to this issue, offering an impressive 26,800 mAh of power in a sleek, compact design. With this portable charger, you can recharge your devices multiple times, ensuring your phone, tablet, GPS device, or any other electronics stay powered during your camping adventure. It's not just about having the ability to charge devices. It's about providing peace of mind, knowing you have a reliable power source wherever you go. LumenAID Solar Inflatable Lantern. Lighting is an essential part of any camping trip, and the LumenAID Solar Inflatable Lantern brings the perfect solution for those who want an eco-friendly, portable, and durable lighting option. This lantern is solar-powered, meaning you can charge it during the day by placing it under the sun, and it will provide hours of soft, ambient light during the evening. It's inflatable, making it incredibly lightweight and compact, so it's easy to pack and carry without taking up much space in your gear. Whether you're using it to illuminate your campsite or as a portable light source for nighttime hikes, this lantern is versatile and reliable, giving you the flexibility to light up your environment however you see fit. Olloclip Mobile Lens Kit. Capturing the beauty of nature is one of the highlights of any camping trip, and the Olloclip Mobile Lens Kit makes it easier than ever to take stunning photos with your smartphone. This portable lens kit comes with multiple lenses that enhance the camera capabilities of your mobile device, allowing you to capture everything from wide landscapes to detailed close-ups. Whether you're photographing sweeping vistas, wildlife, or the intricate details of a campsite, the Olloclip kit gives you professional quality results with minimal effort. The lenses attach easily to your phone, ensuring you can quickly adapt your photography to different environments without needing complex gear. Thermarest NeoAir X-Term Sleeping Pad. Comfort is key when it comes to camping, and the Thermarest NeoAir X-Term Sleeping Pad is designed to provide ultimate comfort and warmth during your outdoor adventures. This sleeping pad features advanced insulation technology that retains body heat, making it perfect for use in colder weather. The lightweight design makes it easy to pack, and it inflates quickly, providing a comfortable sleeping surface in minutes. The NeoAir X-Term's durable construction ensures that it can withstand rough terrain and resist punctures, while its minimal thickness doesn't compromise comfort. Garmin InReach Mini Satellite Communicator. For campers who value safety and communication, the Garmin InReach Mini Satellite Communicator is a game changer. This small, compact device allows you to send and receive messages, track your location, and share your journey with friends and family, no matter how remote your location is. Equipped with satellite connectivity, the InReach Mini ensures that you are always in touch, even when you're far off the beaten path. Whether you need to check in with loved ones or request help in an emergency, this device offers peace of mind by ensuring you can always communicate, even without cell service. UCO Candle Lantern. Sometimes, nothing beats the simplicity and warmth of a candle, especially when you're camping in the great outdoors. The UCO Candle Lantern combines the soft, soothing glow of a candle with the practicality and safety needed for outdoor use. This lantern uses a specially designed candle that burns for up to 9 hours, providing light that lasts through your camping evenings. The metal housing protects the flame from wind and rain, ensuring consistent light, even in challenging weather conditions. It's a perfect addition to any campsite, offering both functional lighting and a cozy atmosphere to your outdoor experience. Klymit Insulated Static V-Lite Sleeping Pad. For campers seeking lightweight comfort with excellent insulation, the Klymit Insulated Static V-Lite Sleeping Pad is a must-have. This sleeping pad offers an exceptional combination of comfort, durability, and warmth, making it a perfect choice for three-season camping. It features V-shaped baffles that help maintain body alignment and prevent the pad from bottoming out, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep on the ground. The insulation material provides warmth without the bulk, and its design ensures that it stays inflated throughout the night, providing consistent support. GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cook Set. Cooking while camping doesn't have to be complicated, and the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cook Set makes outdoor cooking easy and enjoyable. This complete cookware set includes everything you need to prepare delicious meals in the wild, including pots, pans, plates, cups, and utensils. Designed with durability and ease of use in mind, the Pinnacle Camper Cook Set is made from high-quality, non-stick materials that are easy to clean and resistant to scratching. The set is compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack into your camping gear without sacrificing the functionality of a full kitchen setup. Petzl Actic Core Headlamp. When you're camping, having a reliable source of light is essential, and the Petzl Actic Core Headlamp delivers just that. This headlamp is designed for outdoor adventurers who need hands-free lighting during nighttime activities. It offers a bright LED light with multiple settings, allowing you to adjust the beam to suit your needs, whether you're hiking, cooking, or navigating around your campsite. The Petzl Actic Core provides the perfect illumination for any task. Sable Inflatable Air Mattress. A good night's sleep can make or break your camping experience, and the Sable Inflatable Air Mattress ensures you wake up rested and ready for adventure. This air mattress is designed to provide the comfort of a traditional mattress while being compact and portable for easy storage and transport. Made from durable, puncture-resistant material, the mattress can withstand outdoor conditions while ensuring you stay comfortable all night long. Whether you're camping in a tent or sleeping under the stars, the Sable Inflatable Air Mattress offers the perfect sleeping solution for those who want a bit of luxury in the wilderness. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.